Hey there, little explorers! Have you ever heard thunder go boom and wondered why it's so loud? Let's find out!
Oh, I know. Thunder is loud because lightning makes super hot air super fast. The air gets squished and then bang! It makes a big noise, like popping a giant balloon.
Wow, Lulu, that's right. Lightning is like a giant spark and thunder is its loud shout. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun facts. Bye, friends.